up the edges and making the radius to a 32nd here. %20 step over works best. What I'm starting to figure out. Very minimal sanding, if any, to be honest. And this MDF that we're using here is just test MDF. It's the cheapest stuff you can buy. It's just regular standard MDF. You can get this stuff at any local box store. It's not moisture resistant, it's not the HDF, it's not a high density. This is just for test purposes. All our doors are going to be made with HDF, high density fiberboard, or real wood, and all moisture resistant. That's it. Cleaned it up.